If you've ever owned a caravan, you know that cleaning the roof can be a bit of a challenge. But reaching the roof of a caravan can be tricky, especially if you're not very tall. That's where a good ladder comes in. In this video, we'll be reviewing the 5 best ladders for cleaning caravan roofs. We'll take a look at each ladder's features and benefits, and we'll help you decide which ladder is right for you. So if you're looking for the best ladder for cleaning your caravan roof, be sure to watch this video. Number 1. ARCHOM TLE85 Telescoping Ladder. The ARCHOM TLE85 features an extension and folding design. It's made from top-quality aluminum alloy, which means it's resistant to wear, corrosion, and rust. This telescoping ladder comes with 2 hooks for secure fixing, increasing stability when using it on roofs. It's compact and lightweight, and the storage strap secures it, so you can carry it with just one hand. It's the ladder that's always ready to lend a hand. Number 2. BOWEITI 10.5 feet Telescoping Ladder. The BOWEITI telescoping ladder is constructed from high-quality aluminum, making it not only lightweight but incredibly durable. This robust design not only improves the ladder's service life, but also gives it an impressive weight capacity of up to 330 pounds. One of the standout features of this ladder is its telescopic design. It can extend from 2.7 feet to a staggering 10.5 feet. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your home improvement and outdoor activities. Number 3. LUISLADDERS 12.5 feet Telescoping Ladder. The ladder is made of high-quality aluminum and is OSHA compliant. It has double couplings on every rung to prevent pinching and high-adhesion bottom caps to prevent tipping. The ladder extends and retracts smoothly and effortlessly with the push of a button. It also has a 1-button contraction switch that slowly descends the ladder to protect your fingers from injury. The ladder is lightweight and compact, making it easy to transport and store. Number 4. Bowoshen 10.5 feet Telescoping Ladder. This isn't your average A-frame ladder. The Bowoshen ladder is straight and extendable from a compact 2.6 feet to an impressive 10.5 feet. One of my favorite things about this ladder is its portability. Weighing in at just 22 pounds, it's a breeze to carry around. With 9 steps and a folded height of 2.6 feet, it easily fits into your car trunk, under your bed, or in storage closets. Number 5. JADDUO 12.5 feet Telescoping Ladder. Safety always comes first, and the JADDUO ladder has it covered. Each step is equipped with a telescopic fixed lock that opens and closes individually. The top caps and angled feet make it a breeze to secure the ladder to walls and floors, reducing the risk of accidents due to slippery feet. Whether you're cleaning caravan roof, fixing ceiling lights, painting walls, cleaning windows, or cutting branches, this ladder has you covered. It's a must-have for RV roof cleaning, attic maintenance, and home decoration. Thanks for watching our video on the best ladder for cleaning caravan roofs. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to answer them. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on all things tools and DIY.